The Property and Evidence section is the central repository for all items collected and held by the Titusville Police Department. This includes safekeeping property, evidentiary property, as well as abandoned, lost, and found property. Please call or email the Titusville Police Department to inquire about the status of your property or to make an appointment to pick up these items. It is required to provide a form of photo identification and, in some cases, additional proof of ownership upon picking up the property. Arrive at the Titusville Police Department, located at 1100 John Glenn Boulevard, and enter the lobby at your scheduled appointment time. The front desk attendant will be happy to help you by first reviewing your identification. An evidence section member will be notified of your arrival. The Property and Evidence section will locate your item, verify your identification, as well as necessary documentation. The transfer of your property from the agency's custody to your custody will require a digital signature. Lastly, your property will be physically placed into your possession. Here are a few reminders and important tips. Remember, call ahead to inquire about your property and have the case number readily available. An appointment between the hours of 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. is required for property pickup. Bring your identification and any additional required documentation proving ownership. Lastly, there are some retention limitations to be aware of. Safekeeping property is disposed of in 60 days of the collection date, and in accordance with Florida State Statute 705.103, found property is disposed after 90 days from the date it is found. For a current found property list and more detailed information on this process, go to Titusville.com and search for Property and Evidence, or call 321-567-3938, or email police@Titusville.com.